Trolley, it was just Sparky.
Sparky?
Yes, but it's okay. I'm here.
Oh, thanks. But maybe I should go home to the maze caves. I know I'll sleep there.
No, wait. Please don't go, Trolley. I'll make sure you get a good night's sleep. It's my mission.
Okay. Good night, Mike.
Good night, Trolley. Right. That's it. Bart, we need to get Sparky out of the room before his snoring wakes Trolley up.
But Mike...
Come on, help me pull him.